Welcome, Minecraft enthusiasts. Today, we're diving into the magical world of enchanting. Let's learn how to enhance your gear for incredible adventures. To get started, you'll need a few key items: lapis lazuli, an enchanting table, and some bookshelves. These materials will be your allies in the enchanting process. First, let's craft the enchanting table. You'll need 4 obsidian blocks, 2 diamonds, and 1 book. Arrange them in your crafting grid as shown. Next, strategically place your bookshelves around the enchanting table. For maximum enchantment levels, ensure there are at least 2 blocks of space between the shelves and the table. Now, let's use the enchanting table. Simply right-click it, choose your item, and select your desired enchantment level based on the lapis lazuli you have. There are various enchantments available for weapons, armor, and tools. Some enhance durability, while others increase damage or protection. Let's explore a few common types. Understanding enchantment levels is crucial. Higher levels cost more lapis lazuli but yield more powerful effects. Choose wisely based on your needs. Did you know you can combine enchanted items? Using an anvil, you can merge enchantments to create even more powerful gear. Enchanted books are another way to apply enchantments to items. Just use the anvil to combine the book with an item for a specialized enchantment. And that's a wrap on enchanting. The benefits are immense, so don't hesitate to experiment with different enchantments. Happy crafting and good luck on your adventures.